got our group together. Thank you everybody for coming. So they look really, do they look really good in red and black?
Yes.
Let's have a hand.
Yay.
So their dance is going to be as good as how they look, okay? So you clap along anytime you want to and cheer us along, okay?
Yes.
So the first dance we're going to do is called Three Little Birds, and it has a message for you to be happy. Don't worry, be happy. So that's what we're going to dance first, okay? So you can clap us and cheer us along anytime you want. Everybody, ready? Start. Lock step. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Number 54, a house with a bamboo door, bamboo roof and bamboo walls. They've even got a bamboo floor. You must get to know Soho Joe. He runs an espresso. A house of bamboo, it's made of sticks, sticks and rocks. But you can get your kicks in a house of bamboo. In Christmas Eve, no, you can bring a chino, bread and a scotch, and swing it to the top. You dance the bolero in the sombrero and the shake. I like your shake. You want a hoppin', the cats are hoppin'. Let your 2 feet move, but do the big beat. Pick yourself a kitten and listen to a ride that rocks the jukebox. I'm telling you, when you're blue, well, there's a lot to do in the house of bamboo. You've got to know Soho Joe. He runs an espresso called the house of bamboo. Why